Yo, what's up everybody? So, sorry I haven't uploaded like an actual video in a long time. But we just recently got hit by this hurricane that really messed stuff up. And I'm at my grandparents' farm right now. So, I'm gonna go just like kind of drive around here and see, or like show y'all what all happened. And I'm gonna have some videos from during when we were in the storm, to how much worse it looked like. We've already got most of it cleaned up. There's still some stuff that's messed up. Kitty, come here. Come here, Kitty. Yes, Kitty. I'm gonna get on this golf cart here, and I'm gonna drive down over here where there's still a bunch of trees down. Nope, that's backwards. And across the road we go. So here was, a tree was there. That tree was there. And that's part of it. And there's this. And these logs are old. Very old. Now I think the worst thing that happened is this right. That was my great-grandpa's barn, by the way. He's pretty mad about it. But, you know, it's my uncle's now since he passed away, and that building was old. I don't know if we're gonna scrap it or what we're gonna do to it, but it's busted now. He's just riding around a little bit, see what's back here. Nothing too terrible back here. Ow, son of a monkey. There's still some sticks right here that we piled up, but there was a bunch of Japanese hornets in that thing there, and them things, I don't know if you know this or not, they hurt. Now I'm gonna go down to the little pond and see, and go down there and see what's happened since the storm. But yeah, and then I'm gonna see if I can go take the Kubota and show the two bigger ponds. But the little pond is just that pond right down there. So let's go to it. For an old golf cart, this thing goes fast. Good gosh. There's where we burned some sticks. There's cows, and I'm going way too fast. Good God. Cut this one during here like that. Oh shit, I don't know what that noise was. It don't look like nothing too bad has happened down here. I'm really surprised this thing's still here because this building is older than that one up there. Oh shoot, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go investigate it real quick. It's dirt right here. Wasn't here before. I don't know. Oh shit, don't get stuck, don't get stuck. There we go. Okay, here we go. We're going. Oh shoot, I about to flip this thing. Still, I think this pond has a really nice view. So I'll show you like that in a minute. But you know, pretty nice view. Some cows. Anyways, guys, I'm going to head back up there now. Move this. That thing's in the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it there. I'm gonna head back up and I'm gonna see if I can get the Kubota and drive down to the other two ponds. And I'll show you some of the before or during the storm from those while we were in the Kubota. I'm not gonna hold this because this thing's gonna fall in a minute if I don't keep it steady until I get onto the road here. Let's just go. Oh, don't go so fast now. Another kitty. Hello. Call this cat Weasel. She looks like a weasel. Oh shoot, got stuff in my pants. But I have permission to take this thing down to the other two ponds. So why don't we do that? So we're gonna go look at some of that now. Now I'm not gonna speak too much because I don't know if you can even really hear me from this thing because it's really loud. So I'm recording my phone, so I'm not sure how good it'll pick it, or how good it's gonna stay where I've got it sat at right now. So you can just watch me. I'm fixing to have to be driving on the road, so I'm gonna have to pay attention to that, you know. So let's go. Let's do this. When I go back and look at this, I'm gonna put some of the images we took while the storm was happening, because this is because this is where I was when it was actually happening. But there was water going down this hill, flooding up from out of the pond down into them woods there, which is a creek down there, which is why. Because it's built the way it worked, because it's supposed to be doing that. Whenever it fills up, it goes from over there and down that hill and goes into the woods, into the creek over there. So at least it drained out how it should have. But I'm gonna go around that. But that that willow tree was it was in the water pretty much. It had come up so far. And that dock right there was almost completely underwater, except for the roof and stuff. And you can see where it had taken some of the limbs off of that tree there. But I'm gonna put this back down so I can drive through here. Oh, there it goes. Alright, well, now I can just look at the cows. Oh, where are the cows? Oh, they're right there. So I see them. Look at them all just sitting there. Being idiots. Some more stuff. There's some stuff where he's done baled the hay again. There's the pond right there. So here's where this pond had come up to where those plants right there were completely underwater, almost. And that little white thing was completely underwater. Oh shit, there's a dip right there. And then the water had come up, it was going over into that to where you couldn't get across this little bit right here. Like it was so deep that this thing wouldn't make it. But I'm gonna go back here to these woods and see what's happened, or if anything's happened back here, because I haven't been back here since then. I really like driving through this field. Pretty nice views. It's just really fun to kind of drive through on this thing. Down there, there's a tree down right there, and there's a tree down right here. And there's more trees. Check this real quick. I don't know if anything's in that, but that's not our property, or that's not. I don't think I should go in there because I don't know. I might get shot. I don't know. But I'm gonna get the emergency brake off. I'm just gonna whip this thing around. I'm not making that. calls it the Booger Woods, and he's terrified to go back here. I think it's really funny. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm gonna drive all the way back and probably go edit this video. That was an animal running there for a second. I didn't know what that was. Ah, this tap is pissing me off. Go down there. Right through here for just a second. See what this is like. There's some limb, there's some sticks, but nothing much right through here. There's limb. Honestly, this is my favorite pond. Just because of like back here, it's so far away. But it's got a really, really nice view. We don't know who the people are, but let's go ahead and go. There's another little drainage point if the pond floods like this, and I'm gonna go right over it. But that's pretty much, you know, like I said, that's pretty much all that I'm gonna do. brush pile. I'm gonna go the long way out, or actually no, I'm not. I can drive by the little pond again. I might drive by the little pond again. I don't have any pictures of that little pond though during the storm because we didn't go that way. But yeah, there's a tree down right there. getting back on the road now. Where's the golf cart? So that's pretty much it for the, oh shoot, I left my hat in here, hold on. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the video. So hopefully I'll be uploading a little more often, but till then,